here we have is an Asus VivoBook 15-inch model number X512FL. So it's got a Intel i7 processor, 512 PCI SSD, 8GB of RAM, and then of course every model has different specs. So we'll just get into the unboxing. So box opens up with a flap, so it's in search of credible. So inside the box you have quite compact AC power with a normal power supply cable. Warranty card manual and a user guide, which I'm not going to go into any more detail. Apart from that, nothing else in the box. So that's the laptop. It's got two USB ports on the side, the battery and the load indicator. Nothing on the front. So micro SD card reader, headphone jack, a microphone, Type C, USB, HDMI, and another USB, the power socket. On the back, as usual, speaker grills, high-end white keyboard, so you can actually go quite back. Very thin screen, a camera, quite a nice laptop. So of course I think it might need to be charged up. Yep, so it needs to be charged up. It's just not powering on, so we'll definitely get another video out.